Oh, Scott from Wessex Blades. I've had a splurge and bought something. So, got some ferro rods. That's what he's done. I've bought this multi-tool with the bits. What are the bits? And a you know, the sort of socket with the pins in that there's a multiple head. It gets that sort of adjustable thing. They can put different nuts and stuff on it. So for the cost of it, it was £23 or something. So let's open it up and see what I got. There we go. We've got a bit of a sticker dicker. I don't think So there's the socket. Being a bit peeved, am I? There's this multiple socket. There's the tool in the king and let's double check in a minute, whatever, on my Amazon. I'm sure I ordered one. And all the bits that should fit in there. So there it is. It's called a shall not be included. So it's a kind of a it's a Leatherman knockoff. Unsprung, but removable jaws. Okay, needle jaws, rounded jaws. There is a multi in there. That's got a detent bearing on that one. Okay, locking lever, belt clip. Looks like a diamond file. I can think there. Yep, that's a crisscrossy file, diamond file, serratus bladus, clip, liner. Also a bit crestfallen with the lack of bits. Sore. Is that supposed to lock? Is that supposed to lock? There, now it's locking. Just a little bit, the tolerance on the end of the liner didn't want to flick across because it's that tight. Oh yeah, he is tight. Okay, so yeah, that one works. And hopefully, nice. Clunk. Nice one of them. So that's very nice. Got locky, dinky, but the bits and the shaft nicked and present on the shall not pass. Interesting. Well, I'll go contact our Amazon guy and I'll catch up with you later. That was a bit of a disappointment, wasn't it?